I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to enable international transfers on your Wise account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your Wise account. Start by logging into your Wise account using your email and password. Make sure you have access to the email link to your account for verification purposes. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, go to the Account Settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. This is where you can manage all your account preferences. Step 3. Select Transfer Options. In the Settings menu, look for the Transfer Options section. This is where you can enable or disable international transfers. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may need to verify your identity to enable international transfers. Follow the prompts to upload any required documents, like a passport or utility bill. Note, if you're using the mobile app, the document upload might be done through your camera, so have your ID ready. Step 5. Confirm changes. After your identity is verified, go back to the transfer options and confirm that international transfers are now enabled. You should see a confirmation message. Now you should be all set to make international transfers with your Wise account. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Wise support for help. Happy transferring!